Hey, it's Biddy Penny. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing the DREAMZ Etc February 2023 box of the month. This box is still available. You can buy it as a one-time purchase or you can subscribe. And I am just unboxing this with you guys today. Each box always has a project sheet, and this one is for a Fairy Whispers altered paintbrush. You guys, oh, I'm so excited to see this. There's always a lot of instructions and a picture. So real quick, I'm going to kind of just grab the things out of the box. Look at all of the stuff that comes in these boxes. It is quite amazing. If you're interested in mixed media and you want just a fun subscription each month, I definitely recommend this one. There's always so much in it. We're going to unpack it all. I'm going to walk you through what came in my box. Now, sometimes like with these little embellishment bags, your charms may vary from mine. You might even have a different embossing powder. I got this one. It's called High Heels, and it is just gorgeous sparkle. Oh, I can't wait to use that embossing powder. And then there is a Diamonds, Stickles. Love this. I have one and it's like halfway empty, so I'm excited to have a replacement. And then lots of different keys and gemstones and just all kinds of stuff. It's always so fun to see what will come in one of these boxes. You guys may recall seeing my unboxing of the December, was it December, January? It was the December, January box, which had all the Prima Lady stamps in it. Remember those? So yeah, I am super excited to show this with you guys, but even more so to craft with it. So here is a little embellishment pack. Jen, who designs the boxes and owns DREAMZ Etc, she is extraordinary. You guys, like, as an artist. And anyways, I saw that she released a video yesterday showing how she made her altered paintbrush, and then that kind of like opened up a Pandora's box for me of altered paintbrush videos, and I went down the rabbit hole and I'm loving it. So all of these different fabrics, lace, and this little thing, these would all be perfect for an altered paintbrush. Then there's also some Prima flowers. And this is a pack of paper, which, isn't that just lovely? Isn't she beautiful? I believe most all of this is from Blue Fern Studios, and I think Jen might have designed it. It's called Fairy Wishes. It's got sentiments and these beautiful tags. Pockets, and it's double-sided, so if you didn't want to use the pockets and the tags, you could just use the other side and make cards or whatever. So I'm definitely going to be making cards with you guys with this kit, and then I'm definitely going to be making the altered paintbrushes. In fact, you'll probably see those next week on my channel. Here is an ephemera kit that came with it. This again is the Blue Fern Studios Fairy Wishes, and even the packaging is gorgeous. I love all of this ephemera. I can't wait to put it to work and use it. It is so cool. Lots of wings and just different embellishments. Really, really beautiful. I love the colors of everything, and I really like those ancient looking coins. I think that's a super cool thing that you just don't see all the time. Of course, the beautiful ladies. So many fun details. I couldn't figure out what that piece was. But it's all beautiful. My mind just wasn't comprehending. So there is the ephemera pack. Again, really super lovely and full of possibilities. Just beautiful. Let's see what else. Oh, there is this silk ribbon that came in it. So again, this is Blue Fern Studios, and I don't know how long this strip of silk ribbon is, but it's pretty long. As you can see here, it's got to be at least 2 yards, I think. 2 or 3 yards of that silk ribbon. And then look at the stamp set. Oh, I love it so much. Y'all been seeing me use stamp sets like this from Blue Fern Studios the last couple of months, and so this is going to be a great addition to my collection. Here is a chipboard piece, which I could see myself kind of cutting that up and using it in separate pieces. Oh, there's my paintbrush. Yay! So this one is a 3-inch paintbrush, and you know, after going down the rabbit hole, Dr. Shrub was going to Lowe's to check on plants, and I said, can you pick me up a couple of paintbrushes, just cheap ones? Now I'm ready. He got me a couple of 2-inch ones and one 1-inch paintbrush. I'm so excited to play with them. Here are some cut-aparts, a pattern paper that's all double-sided. And I like the sentiments on a lot of these. I just think they're really cool and different. These would make perfect cards with very little work that would have to go into them. And yes, I do believe Jen designed all of these papers as well for Blue Fern Studios. You may be able to buy some of these products separately in her shop if you don't want the whole kit, if maybe the kit's, you know, not something you're seeking, but you want pieces of the kit, you might be able to find that. If you're looking for the kit, the easiest things to do is go to DREAMZ Etc, and in the search bar, just type in February box, and it'll pop right up. And, you know, they're in stock now. I don't know how many she has left, of course, but I did check before doing the voiceover, and they were still in stock, and she'll be sending the March box out pretty soon. So with every box, there's usually a digital kit that's included as well. And if you haven't seen her digital kits yet, you guys, her like digital printables, you've got to see them. They are spectacular. And she designed one to go with this box that's the same theme. It's fairies and beautiful. I was showing you here, like, some of the pieces are a little bigger than 4x4, but those would make great 4x4 cards. These would totally work for 5x7 and A2. And I like that the paper is already cut. So you get over, you know, when you get a brand new 12x12 piece of paper and it's too pretty and you don't want to cut it, I kind of really like that this is already cut. So I immediately get over that, or Jen helps you get over that bit of not wanting to cut the pretty paper. It's already cut, so let's use it. And I just really like that. It helps for people like me, paper hoarders. Oh my goodness. Use all the pretty papers. And let me tell you, this is a stack of paper, y'all. There's a lot here. Okay, so this is the Fairyland Whispers. I have a little sneak peek here that I pulled from her website that is going along. It comes free with the subscription. You can also buy this separately once it's released. It's not released yet. It'll be coming out soon. But here's just like a sneak peek of what that kit is going to look like. These are digitables that you print. You get the digital file, you print it at home or Kinko's or wherever you like to get things printed, and then you can use it for junk journaling, card making, memory keeping, whatever paper crafting that you like to do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the box. I can't wait to get started, and I'll see you next time. Bye!